Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom for your ULEFONE Note 13P. So first let's open our Google Play Store and right here find an app called Google Classroom. It's this one right here. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, go for Get Started, choose the account you want to use, and then OK. Now if you press on this plus button and join the class, you'll be able to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.